What's up, guys? You might be wondering where I am. This is basically my three's place. So anyway, yesterday got like really late. I met some of our amazing friends. Absolutely, like, just love the conversations. Kind of falling in love with the city, I feel. We came back real late. Slept around like 3. Guys! So this place is not exactly in Dehradun.
It's actually right in the middle of the jungle, built by Hanano in the 90s.
Nice. Okay, so being in the middle of a jungle, there's a big pro and there's a big con. You have nothing but nature.
You say all this, but everything comes from nature, and we found a way to basically sustain our lives here.
Okay, so we're gonna go get some supplies. This is
To
actually
make green juice.
Yeah, because I'm demanding as fuck. So everything you need, from food supplies to things that you can't actually grow in a jungle, you really need to like step it out.
Every time I need any supplies, especially if you need like one thing and it's the middle of the night or it's like late, especially with coronavirus going on right now, everything shuts early. It's really inconvenient, and even amenities and stuff were not available around where we live because it's all rural. So if you needed anything, you had to wait till the end of the weekend and the lockdown to go and get supplies.
So that's actually pretty interesting because you do have the pros, but you do have like major cons as well. Depends on who you are as a person and whether that's something you're willing to, you know, let go of.
Sure.
So, but just to sustain general life, it's pretty impressive as to what's actually been built over here, which I can probably show you around later.
Oh, that'd be exciting.
Yeah?
That'd be a fun one.
So we'll do that. Right now we're going to get some groceries. So check out the space in the meanwhile. It's closed today.
We go to Randa Ki Chowki where your phone has to be fixed.
Problems
Oh yeah, everything takes 20 hours to get done.
on average. It looks open.
Baby.
One second, let me call my friend. There's a problem in my phone. I just dropped it and now it's a problem. Okay, there's another problem that I actually can't even reach out to people because there's no fucking signal anytime. Now these can be good or bad things also, depends on the way you look at it. I'm gonna try and get my phone fixed and do the rest of the stuff. ये फ़ोन ना मुझे गिर गया कल, तो जो वॉल्यूम का बटन है ऊपर का वो अटक गया है। आई थिंक उसकी वजह से लॉक भी नहीं हो रहा, कभी कभी लॉक हो रहा है, कभी कभी नहीं हो रहा। Literally came like 30 minutes away to get these groceries, so let's just get this done with. I'm gonna shop for the next 7 days of green juices. This sweetheart of a guy, gem of a person.
I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun, feeling like a someone.
दिखाइए, वो ठीक नहीं हुआ?
ये जो अंदर से है ना, और सेटअप में तो ये ड्रॉप बटन जो होता है बाहर से होता है,
हाँ।
तो ये अलग निकल जाता है।
हाँ।
ये इसमें अलग नहीं है, क्रोम के साथ में ही है पूरा। इसमें डिस्प्ले लगा हुआ ना, उसमें पूरा उसी के साथ में ही है,
हाँ।
तो पूरा ही चेंज हो गया।
तो अभी क्या करें?
यार ये तो हो नहीं पाएगा, ये तो पूरा ही चेंज है।
ठीक है, तो मैं आपको कुछ दूँ फिर या?
नहीं।
अच्छा। ठीक है भैया।
ठीक है भैया.
Thank you. It didn't get fixed. That's sad. Anyway, let me show you the place and the sustainability factor now.
Love me when love me when
Alright, we just reached Alright, so we just reached Vishanti. That's the resort.
Yeah.
What do you call it? Yeah, resort that they've made for people to actually come and stay. It's absolutely beautiful, fully sustainable, and right in the middle of the jungle, as I might have mentioned. Now, what's interesting is how they've actually co-created over here. I'm not going to talk much about that and let Maitri explain this bit. So, can you tell us a little bit about
Okay,
this?
so my grandfather bought this place sometime in the 90s, and when he came here, it was all pretty much just barren land with lantana bushes, which smell amazing, by the way. And so he had to first even out all the land here, and then some of the problems he faced was safety and electricity, and also agriculture, food. What would we eat to sustain ourselves here? So we have a dairy. We do some farming here, which we'll show you in a minute. It's all organic. And we have a vermicompost here where we make our own khad with the dung from the cows and the food waste, the wet waste from the kitchen.
So, why don't we just show this? Where are we going first?
Get good at the vermicompost because it's very
love me when love me when love me. Oh, I need someone to love me.
The poly houses there, we grow some stuff there that you can't grow outdoors, and
Yeah.
then the rest we grow out here.
Okay.
And there's a tube well there. So this road right here.
Yeah.
I used to play in the village a lot because obviously I used to be bored sitting here alone. So I used to come at about sunset and ride my cycle down this road. Nishu can't ride a cycle. Sorry, I should. So here they'd be growing patty, and the smell of it, I swear, smelled like popcorn. And my little child brain, for some reason, believed that if I got home in time, there'd be hot popcorn waiting for me. So as soon as I start crossing, we start to cycle faster and faster and faster.
He's your guy?
Yeah.
They're your guys?
Yeah.
Oh, I need someone to love me. Oh, I need someone to love
So there's these troughs where they dig it up, put a layer of dead leaves, and then worms, earthworms, and then you put some gobar, which is cow shit, and then the food waste I was talking about, and then you cover it up with more leaves so it's humid and it's kind of warm, and then the worms eat whatever's there, and their poop is the manure.
How does that help you guys?
It's a fertilizer. It's basically organic fertilizer, right? That's how
me when I'm lonely. Love me when
and this is the poly house.
love me when
What is this?
Bindi. Obviously, you can't eat bindi this big because it's going to be gross, but
If you try hard enough, anything can be a
shit, I locked it instead.
dildo.
ew, it's slimy.
Love me when
This is what they do in the poly house.
What? Can you continue speaking? So different families of plants that can grow together. So
Okay.
you'll have the gourds up because they're creepers, so they'll be growing around, and then some plants things that need more sunlight, less sunlight. Oh yuck! Ew.
So we've seen the worm compost area where they create the fertilizer. We've seen the poly houses where they're growing veggies, and there were other places where they're growing veggies as well, but because it's monsoon season, it's not possible to do so. I mean, they're just growing out of proportion. What? What happened? Literally like me right now. Now, look at this. I have no idea what's growing here, but it's pretty interesting. They're all creepers. Alright, mate. We've come to the middle of the jungle to see how these gourds are growing. Look at these gourds, beautiful gourds. Oh my god. I didn't know they grow like this. Mike, where are we going next?
Hop on this.
Okay, shall I hop on like this one?
Let's go.
I got this.
Okay. Oh, go from the left.
So Nanu doesn't see us. Birds. Where are we going? ये और कुछ नहीं था.
और क्या था?
पता नहीं.
कल दिखा देंगे.
अरे नहीं ऐसे नहीं होता.
Tubewell.
What?
नहीं we can speak
Solar
about
panel?
all this. Solar panels are on top of the chat. You want to get on top of the chat?
Where?
Niche. There are solar panels at home also. Can I show them to you?
Okay, Maitri wants to go home, so we're gonna go home. But I'll see you guys tomorrow, alright? Just so you know, there's a lot of stuff, okay? I'm gonna be here for 7 days, so you're gonna see a lot more. I didn't know we're gonna do this thing like all the way till home, but I'm in for it. My cap's gonna fall. I'll see you guys tomorrow, alright? This is not safe. Bye bye. Oh my god!